I am going to share 5 passive income ideas that can generate you $1,000 or more per month. I myself am currently making somewhere between $2,100 to $3,500 a month in passive income. And I chose these 5 passive income ideas for 3 reasons. Number 1, they are easy to start. Number 2, they require little to no capital to start. Number 3, they have the potential of scaling up to huge amounts of money down the line. So with that said, let's get into passive income number 1, and that is social media. There are so many ways to earn money passively on social media, whether it be from YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, Instagram, or even Snapchat. So let's break each one down, starting with YouTube. Now, many people don't realize this, but YouTube is one of the biggest opportunities available to passively earn money. All you need to do is create quality videos and upload. And when your videos go viral and your channel blows up, now you have the chance to get paid for the good work that you did up front. And the best part about this is, as long as YouTube is still around and you create what we call evergreen content, you have the opportunity to earn money on your videos basically forever. And that's when it becomes passive income. So how do you get monetized on YouTube? There are 2 basic ways to get monetized on YouTube. The first being fan funding. To unlock this, you need 500 subscribers and 3,000 hours of watch time. The second way to get monetized on YouTube is with ads. Now, to unlock this one, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months. With TikTok, there are also 2 basic ways to earn money on TikTok. The first being with the Creativity Beta program. That's when TikTok pays you for the views that you get on your videos. The higher the RPM, the better. Right now, I have an RPM of $1.20, which basically means for every 1,000 views that I get, I will earn $1.20. To be eligible for this, you need at least 10,000 followers and your videos need to be at least 1 minute long. And the second way to earn money on TikTok is with the TikTok shop. And that's when you create videos to promote products that are selling on TikTok. And when somebody buys that product, you in return make a commission. This has made a lot of people a lot of money. And to do this, you need at least 1,000 followers. Now with Instagram, you can earn money with GIFs, Reels. If you have a theme page, you can charge other accounts for promos, which I have been doing for the past 6 months. Let me know if you want me to make a separate video on that. And with Snapchat, you can make money by creating stories and shows on Snapchat. It's a bit hard to get into, but it's made people a lot of money. You can also earn crystals, which is how Snapchat pays you for the views you get on your spotlights. This can also be very lucrative. Now, this is a very powerful passive income source because you can leverage these social media platforms in order to promote your other passive income sources, which brings me to passive income idea number 2, and that is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you can earn a commission for simply sharing a product or a service that you love to your audience. When you sign up to be an affiliate, you will get a special link that you can share, and when somebody buys that product or that service using your link, you can in return earn that commission. This can range from 5% up to 85% or more. For example, Matt Parr has a YouTube course where he teaches you how to monetize on YouTube and how to create faceless YouTube channels or faceless YouTube videos. And if I were to promote that, which I am, I would put my special link in the description box below, which I will. And if someone buys this course, I will in return earn a commission from that sale. And considering how I told you from the beginning of this video that YouTube is one of the most powerful way to earn money passively, I think you should check it out. Link down below. Passive income idea number 3 is the Amazon Influencer Program. It is simply a program that allows you to post product video reviews on Amazon. And if someone decides to buy the product that you are reviewing, then you earn a commission. It is really simple to do. You do not even have to show your face. I started doing this in August last year. It took me about a month to start building a catalog of video reviews, and since then I have been making, or it has been making me, around $700 to $1,100 a month. Let me know if you want me to make a separate video on that too. Passive income idea number 4 is high yield savings account. I know this does not sound sexy, but when you do start making money from all these methods that I just talked about, YouTube, TikTok, affiliate marketing, and everything else, you need somewhere to store that money. And instead of letting it sit in a traditional bank account that will earn you you little to nothing when it comes to interest. You can instead use the high yield savings account where you put the money in and you get a deposit every month based on what you put in. You're gonna have to do your own research on that in terms of what banks pays the highest interest rate. But let's be honest, keeping your money in a savings account is fine. But to build more passive income streams, you must invest, whether it be in real estate or stocks. For me, I like options trading because it offers me better return on investment. I like to trade what is called LEAPs, long-term equity anticipation securities. Basically, you anticipate where the price of a stock will be a year to 2 years from now, and you invest according to that. This strategy can return somewhere between 100% to 10,000% a year on the money invested. You can also invest in companies or stocks that will pay you either a monthly or a quarterly dividend. All dividend stocks are not created equal, so do your own research on what the best ones are. And that was passive income idea number 5. And of course, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but I do hope you use one or more of these 5 passive income ideas to generate $1,000 or more in 2024. If you found value in this video, be sure to like it, subscribe, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.